Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to actually bring this video to you guys. It's been a long time, I think over a week or so if I've made a video on my YouTube channel, so it's actually a very long time. But today I actually have something very special, very cool and easy for you to actually make money online. Yes, if you want to make money online, this is something what I want to share with you guys today. Something that can you can in fact continue doing it for as long as you want until you are of getting the money. Just that you need to have some things in place. But if you don't have those stuffs in place, I'm also going to show you how you can go the other way around and then still get more, make sure this thing works for you, and then you earn money online. So for those of you who have been following my channel, you know what I do online. I launch products and promote products as an affiliate while I earn commission. Okay, so actually I have my own products actually going live too. Yes, if you know about Munch Eye, you've been on my channel for long, you should know about Munch Eye, where vendors go out to list their products on Munch Eye. So you can see today is 9th and we have 3 products actually launching today on JVZoo, on World Plus, and then on Pay Kickstart. So now let's go to let's just head over. So what this is all about is just you looking for a right offer that you can promote. So what you will do is go and you check through one of all these offers one by one and see which of them have has a value inside, or something that actually sells that you're interested in buying. So if you have interest in buying it but you don't have the money, then you can actually go and promote it as an affiliate while you earn commission on them. But there's one thing I want you to know before you jump on and start promoting products. It's very important. Before you start promoting, you need to make sure you put yourself into, yes, you actually want to make money when you are promoting this product, and you want to make the money very easy. You don't want to promote hard and then it's not converting for you. So what you should do is, number one, look for where you're going to earn 100% commission on the front end. So all this product, you can see this is one Michael Ceroris on the 10th, which is tomorrow, is $12 on 100% commission, $2 100% commission. You don't need to go for this. Well, you can go for this. At least it will help you to easily get conversion. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you can go for this, in fact, and then you get people to buy the product for $2, and then it will count for you on your affiliate score. So next time you can easily get approved, because with this you should be able to get about 10-20 sales on this product. I'm going to check it out later. So let's see. And so what I'm actually making this video for is to check out my own offer. In fact, I can say my offer is one of the best offer within in fact the next few weeks. Okay, not let's say on the 11th going live. So my offer is going to be the best offer. In fact, you can see it's even the only offer giving 100% commission. Yes, 100% commission. So like for instance, if we take my offer for an instance, PLR massive bundle, and I'm launching on World Plus, you can go and send a request to apply. Let me show you something. You can see I've been getting a series of affiliate requests, people trying to promote, they want to promote my product. You can see this is someone with 9 sales, 1.4 conversion. He still has a good score, and then he actually made a YouTube video already that he wants to, you can see that he wants to promote my offer. And then we see another person wants this person is just starting out, also leaves a message, but you can see here 2,000 sales. So this is an affiliate who has had over 2,000 plus affiliate earnings. So I can be sure of getting sales from these guys. So you also can go ahead and then send a request to promote this offer. There's a link. I'm going to explain everything to you, how to get the link and then promote. So once you send your request to promote this offer, what you'll be earning is very, very simple. Let me head over to the JV page. Okay, let me just go to the to my offer now. So this is my listing on Munch Eye. So if we head over here to okay, this is now, I've clicked on it. So this is it. This is just a brief details about my offer going live. So you can see it's the vendor. I'm the vendor, John Anavi. Product is PLR Massive Income. Launch date is this. Launch time is this. Front end price is $9. Commission for anyone who wants to promote this offer, they are going to get $9 on the front end products. Yes, for PLR Massive bundle. Now I have many other products inside this product. So There, I'll be giving more commissions to people who promote this offer. So for anyone who's interested in promoting this product, you can just go to this page right there, which is my JV page, my affiliate page, where you get more information about the offer. So if I click here now, it's going to take me to my JV page or my affiliate page right here. So this is where I'm giving information about my product launch going live in the next few days. So you can see it's a detailed breakdown of my page. So now once you come over here, just come over here and then you click on grab your affiliate link. So it's going to take you to my affiliate page for this offer, where you now request to promote this offer. Yes, where you send your request to promote the offer, and then you can actually go ahead and read through what the product is all about and everything that you need. So if you have an email list already, you have subscribers, you do email marketing, you have people you can share the product to, then you can also mail them and tell them about this product. So you can see this is the funnel I was talking about. So on the front end, once you promote PLR Massive Bundle, yes, you will earn $9 when they purchase the PLR Massive Bundle. So I'm giving out, I'm giving about 60 plus ebooks in evergreen niches. So they pick it up, and then once anyone buys from you, you earn $9, and then you keep all the profits to yourself. Yes, and then if they go on to buy again, I'm giving in profits pulling email follow-ups for $47 at 50% commission. Downsell, if someone is not interested in buying the upsell, the $47, then I'll also tell them to buy it at $27. So whether they buy $47 or $27, you will earn 50% commission in whichever way they decide to buy. Also, if they buy or they don't buy, they will still be shown another training I have for them, an advanced PLR masterclass. So they will have a chance of buying at $97 or $47. So whichever way they buy again, you get to earn 50% of the option they either go for. So you can see you can earn a lot. You can earn $9 and then earn 20 something dollars, 13 let's say $13, 40 something dollars, and then 20 something dollars. So you can see how much you can earn inside the funnel. So for you that have an email list, you can just go ahead and just pick up this I have for day 1. You can just copy it and paste to your autoresponder. Day 2, day 1 you can send 2 times in the morning and in the evening. Day 2, morning and evening. Day 3, morning and evening. Then day 4, morning and evening. If you have an email list and you have been following up on them, you can see I have the subject headlines, or everything is done for you. It's hard you see marketers doing this kind of, most of them don't provide swipes, but everything is done for you. Just carry it. I've used it. You can see I use this to get conversion when I first promoted to my email list. You can see I got a lot of sales in just hours, and then I stopped it because I was going to do a big launch out of it. So if you can just use this, or if you're going to use Facebook, you can use Facebook, and then you can't just post all these slides on Facebook. You need to readjust it and then post on Facebook, tell people to comment, and then once they show interest, you just give it to them, send your affiliate link that you have gotten, and then they will purchase from you. All right, so I think that's all about that. So if you want to earn, it's very easy for you to earn $9, $10 over and over again. You can go to Munch High, look for products that are giving out 100% commission on the front end. If it's $9, $10, $13, $20, $27, apply to promote it. So at fact, if you are giving all your effort into promotions, then you'll be sure at least all the money is coming into your own wallet, instead of you just sharing 50% split of the money with the vendor. So go ahead, there's a link under this video. If you want to learn, you don't have an email list yet. If you don't have an email list, I'm going to make a video now. I'm going to make another video right now and show you other ways that you can use to promote affiliate products, how you can promote affiliate offers and get results. So I'm going to be leaving the video inside my Facebook group. Yes, you can join my Facebook group. There's a link under this video to join my Facebook group, Online Monthly Income with John Anavi. So there I actually I support my followers, and we actually help each other, and then I ask questions, they reply. It's just fun. It's many things, but one thing is I'm always available for your questions. So I want you to join me on this launch. Join me on this launch, this PLR Massive Bundle. Yes, I'm going to drop the link again for the JV page. So it's going to bring you right here to the JV page. You see JV page, then go here. So you'll be able to go here, then come over here and then click here, click right here, grab your affiliate link here. So once you grab your affiliate link right here, once you pick up, grab your affiliate link here, that's what you'll be promoting, and then so you can now get credited for any amounts you make. So that's all about that. If you have any question for me, remember you can leave in the comment section. Comments here, please turn on the notification bell so you get my next video. I'm going to make a special video how you can promote affiliates products. Yes, how you can easily promote products if you don't have an email list. I'll be sharing about 3 or 4 things that you can do, and then so you can make, earn commission. So I think that's all for now. Just 3 things you need. Number 1, subscribe to my channel, join my Facebook group. There's a link under this video, and then what else? Yes, apply for your link to promote PLR Massive Bond. You can earn $9 over and over and over again. And don't forget, make sure you watch my video. I'm going to make a video right now, so I'm finishing this. I'll make a video how you can promote this PLR Massive Bond. Do what you need to do that you make sure you earn as much as possible. Even if it is 10 cents, you can make that $90 all to yourself. So you can imagine that's huge money, right? Yeah, so go ahead and then apply to promote this product. I'm going to approve you right now as soon as possible. You can see this is a big vendor. This is a big vendor who has sent requests to promote my offer. 2,000 sales is actually someone, a big affiliate guy who knows. In fact, let me show you his message. He said, "Hi, what a great product launch. Please allow me to promote your product to my subscriber and my blog reader. Thanks." So you can see, go ahead and pick and then send. Just click on the link under this video to send your JV request, and I'll be waiting to approve your request. So I wish you success if you are promoting this. Don't worry, if you need anything, just reach out to me on Facebook. Yes, Facebook. I can't reply you on YouTube, so reach out to me on Facebook. But before you reach out to me on Facebook, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss what's coming ahead. So thank you for watching. My name is John Anavi Olore. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.